All right, what is up, all you good, wonderful citizens of Crypt Nation? Bryce here, coming at you today, not from my normal San Diego, but I'm in Scottsdale, Arizona, and I'm in town for a wedding. So I'm really excited to celebrate, and I'm just about melting this Arizona heat. I don't know if you guys could see it and feel it through the camera, but this is like a blaze. I've never felt anything like it. And in fact, I think the only thing right now that's hotter than the Phoenix sunshine is the markets, man. The markets are on absolute fire. In particular, the crypto markets, right? And in particular, the altcoin markets, right? I mean, Bitcoin is trading comfortably at 60,000 bucks a coin, and it's growing. But where is the real growth potential in the markets? Where are the potential 100x, potential 1000x returns? You're gonna find that in the altcoin market. And we're already starting to see enormous uptick in transaction volumes, in general sentiment and interest in the market. And it's actually coming on the back of the news from Morgan Stanley. So Morgan Stanley, very large bank, right? They've got investment banks, they've got financial advisory services, all sorts of stuff, right? So they just announced just the other day that they are now giving the green light for their high net worth customers, individuals, to be investing in Bitcoin funds, whether it's, Bitcoin hedge funds, Bitcoin mutual funds, holding Bitcoin as an asset. They are now, onboarding those sorts of clients with and matching them with crypto products. So what does that mean for you folks at home? You're like, I don't bank with Morgan Stanley, and I don't really care about those guys. They're the bankers. Screw them. Well, guys, this something very important is happening, because what is going on? Why is that relevant to you, right? Because you guys can go and you guys could be buying crypto, Bitcoin, bunch of the altcoins. You should check out our model portfolio. We've got 15 coins in there that are cream of the crop. But you guys hit the link below to get all that for $1 free trial, $1 trial. The point I'm trying to make is you could buy those cryptos before the rest of the world starts buying them, right? It is still so new. It is still a burgeoning industry, right? There's so much room for growth. And if we're just now getting the very first official financial advisory service to accept crypto, right? That guy's having a good time. Look at him, ripping and roaring. If you guys could be buying crypto before one of the largest financial advisory services in the world starts offering it to their clients, think about the sort of growth potential that's there. Markets are all about buying before a lot of other people buy, right? And we're just about to open up the floodgates. That is extremely important. So that's the first bit of news in the market update, is Morgan Stanley opening up crypto investing to their clients. Second piece of information that is just as impactful: Stone Ridge Mutual Fund, massive multi-billion-dollar mutual fund, is now going to be, as of April 26th, the first mutual fund to be investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, right? Fully regulated mutual fund, just their standard mutual fund. These guys manage billions, and they've never been able to buy crypto until, what's going to be happening is April 26th. Is when that first mutual fund will start to enter. So again, the theme of today's market update is that the floodgates are not opened yet. You want to be a buyer. You want to be buying before the floodgates open, right? That's where you make the money. And so, when you just think about the supply and demand economics, right? When there is a fixed supply asset like cryptocurrencies, where you have an inelastic supply, right? And you have rising demand, prices rise. Basic, right? That shouldn't be new information. But what happens when you have an extremely scarce asset like cryptocurrencies, an extreme influx of new demand from new market participants? What do you think happens? And I'll tell you, price rises dramatically. And so the point I'm trying to make is that there is a once in a lifetime opportunity to be buying as a retail guy, a Main Street guy, just like me and you, right? Normal people are able to buy exotic, financial products before the bankers, right? Before the bankers bastardize these things and before the bankers screw everything up, right? We now have the ability to get into high growth vehicles before the banks, right? And before the bank's clients. That's why cryptocurrency is a populist movement. And that's why it runs on the people, right? It's money by the people, money for the people. And that's what gets me really hyped. It is the first time in history that Main Street investors, retail investors, got in before the big banks. And that hypes me up. So guys, if that hypes you up, make sure you hit the link, and I hope to see you there. Take care, guys.